how to see your following list on Amazon. Load up the Amazon website. Then you want to hover over your name in the top right, and then we're going to select switch profile. Now here you just want to find the profile which you followed people with, and we just want to click on view. Now you scroll all the way down until you are able to see who you follow, authors, brands, and content creators you follow. And here you will see a list of all of your followings, and you can basically track any stores here. You can track authors, brands, and content creators, and basically anyone on Amazon whom you follow is going to be displayed in this field, and you can just click on them to well, you can't click on them to show their profile, but you can search for them in the field here, and you can find them here as well. But that's how you see your following. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.